how to make an Apple ID on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Apple ID on Android in just few simple steps. So first things first, open up your Google Chrome and then search for Apple account. And then tap on sign in to your Apple account option. So here scroll down and then choose your device. So make sure you choose Android. Then it says sign in on your Android mobile. So you can sign in on the web in a web browser. So go ahead and tap on the web. And now tap on create an Apple account. So here you'll need to create your Apple account. Make sure you choose web. And then go to account.apple.com. Scroll down and here you'll find sign in. And now you can make your Apple account from your Android. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.